Hi, welcome to the PrismERP technical demonstration. Today we are going to learn how to process disciplinary action in PrismERP. So disciplinary action is used to manage employee misconduct cases in an organized way. It helps record complaints, issue showcase notice, and take appropriate action based on company policies and investigation result. For disciplinary action, we first need to understand three terms. First one is misconduct. Misconduct is a type or category of offense committed by an employee. Here is a list of misconduct available in the system. Common example include absenteeism, negligence, insubordinance, and rule violations. We can add more misconduct types by clicking on this plus icon here. We can also remove misconduct from the list by clicking on the minus icon here. Next is reason. Reason is a detailed explanation of the misconduct. For example, if the misconduct is absenteeism, the reason could be that the employee was absent for 3 consecutive days without approval. This is the reason list available in the system. You can add multiple reasons. The last one is action. Action is the disciplinary measures taken against the employee after reviewing the case. Actions can vary depending on the severity of the offense. For example, the action could be a verbal warning, written warning, salary hold-up, suspension, or any other disciplinary measures defined by the organization. So for disciplinary action, first step is adding a complaint. Navigate to the human capital menu to disciplinary to new complaint. First, select the branch. Select the employee for whom this complaint is being raised. Now, enter the offense description here. They should clearly describe the incident or issue being reported. If any attachment is needed to explain the complaint, upload the attachment here. This may include supporting documents, email, reports, or any relevant evidence. From the drop-down menu, select the employee who is raising the complaint. If someone is raising the complaint on behalf of another employee, then enter it here. Select the misconduct for the employee. Set the complaint date. This is the date when the incident occurred or when the complaint is being officially recorded. I'm going to keep the default date. After everything is done, click Save. We have created a new complaint. This is the complaint list. We can use the search panel to find out a special or specific complaint list. If we set this to backdate, we can view all the previous complaints. Now this is the complaint that we just created. It is in incomplete state because the review process has not been completed. Let's complete it. If we click on the complaint number, it will open the details view. Here we can review all the information submitted to the complaint. The reviewer of the complaint can add comments about the complaint here from this drop-down menu. These comments may include observation, findings, or recommendation for further action. I'm going to skip this for now. Now the next step is adding a show cause notice. Again, navigate to the human capital menu. Add show cause. Select the branch. Select the complaint. The detail associated with the complaint will automatically appear. Enter the reference ID. Set the show cause date, complaint date, execution date, and notice period. I'm going to keep the default dates. Here, select the reason. Now, select the action for the show cause notice. The selected action indicates the disciplinary measures being considered based on the nature of the offense. So, If a committee is needed for investigation or review, select the committee and committee members. And now click Save. We have created show cause. This is the created show cause list. From here we can track all issued show cause notices. We can edit the show cause notice if there is any mistake, and we can also print it whenever required. Right now it is in incomplete state, so let's complete it. This is the details page of the show cause notice. Here we can review all the information related to the complaint, reason, action, and employee response. Now the next step is adding a warning letter. Again, navigate to the human capital menu to discipline to add warning letter. Select the branch first. Then select the show cause notice from the drop down menu. Once selected, the relevant information will automatically be loaded into the form. Set the warning issue date and explanation date. I'm going to keep the default date. If any attachment is needed, upload it here. Enter the explanation details. Now enter the punishment description here. After every information have been filled in, click Save. This is the created warning letter. We can review the warning letter details at any time and make updates if necessary. This is the details view of the warning letter. We can also add attachments. We can also download the attachments if required. So that's it for disciplinary action today. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching us. Bye.